Hello. Today we have a speaking test. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is your name? Mine?
My name is Quang Huy.
All right, how are you today?
It's Yo.
How are you today? I'm
Happy.
happy. How old are you? I'm
It's Yo.
okay. Let's proceed now for this one, which are the words and grammar. Where are you from?
I'm from
Viet.
Vietnam.
Okay, so how do you spell your name?
U-Y.
Wow. Now, what is she doing? She is
Singing.
she is singing. What is he doing?
Painting.
Painting. So, do your friends like reading books?
Book.
You say yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, they do.
Just do.
Yes, they do. Now, how many people are there?
6 people.
You say there are
6 people.
6 people. What animal do you see? I
Go-
see.
I see a ghost.
I see a goat.
I see a dog.
I see a dog.
I see a fish.
Okay, very good. So find the different picture. Dog, cat, or singing?
Singing.
Okay, find a different picture. Grandma, mother, or watch TV?
Watching.
All right, so find the differences. In picture A, the weather is cloudy. But in picture B, the weather is...
Sunny.
All right, so that's all for today. Goodbye and thank you.
Bye-bye.